Peter, you got all your parts, man.
Got my parts. We gotta check them off.
We're gonna go through. We're gonna check them,
I couldn't figure out some.
and we're gonna get the gang here started on ripping stuff apart. Let me see if I can get Scotty handling the group. All right, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Careful. Remember, boys, they're double nutted.
Is it in there?
What does that mean?
There's two nuts. I don't think it did anything.
Ah, there you go. Yeah.
So you gotta do the bottom one first.
Halfway.
There's two of them?
That makes a lot of sense now.
There we go. There's one.
You didn't tell us that. You gotta get the nut out.
Scotty has excellent control of handling his nuts.
Well, because he's double nutted as well, probably.
He's triple nutted, actually. That one's pissed off.
Oh, wow. Is that a double?
All right. I'm coming around this way because the lighting's a little better. Oh, yeah!
Do you want to smooth that spotlight over here?
You want a bar? Or no, the lighting's good.
No.
It just spray stuff on there?
This one over here.
No, right now I think the lighting's fine. Yeah. He's got one that ain't coming loose.
Two.
Right here, yeah.
And Glenn's over here. He's gonna remember they're double.
Yeah.
So be careful.
Both sides are the same.
Yeah, they are slightly rusted.
Just a little.
Did you spray them?
Yes, I did. I hit him with the goods.
They give us
What are we, gynecologists?
Hell yeah.
nuts?
Gotta look pretty tonight.
I've never
been.
Yes, we have new nuts, new U-bolts. We have all the goodies. Peter, I made sure I had you order the kit that had everything. We're not going to set us up for failure. You want a deep socket? Oh,
Yeah.
I know. Peter, I've known you like 4 or 5 years now. I know. Scotty He-Man. Ah, he hairy like animal.
That's because they
Stronger
got
than
3
the
nuts.
machine, baby.
Yeah, he's got 3 nuts. 3 nuts beats 1 nut.
It sure does, obviously.
I let it this way. As long as I got something to play with come Christmas time and my birthday, I'm happy. I'm a happy guy. What can I say?
Oh, my lord.
Now these have to come
That's
off
what we
too.
needed to hear.
Get the Ugga on that, Scotty. Or get a real impact. That thing's okay.
Isn't it under weight? Isn't it under tension though?
No, because this is holding it up. And we can actually put this up further, and it'll be better.
Keep going.
Yeah, we're good. No, we're good right there. Where's the other one? Oh, it's holding front of the car.
Okay, that one's loose. That one's loose.
Then you can use the impact.
Want me to try one?
That will.
Roar!
What?
Let's see if Peter's 2 is as good
I only
as
have
Scotty's
2
3.
nuts, so.
Wow.
I'm getting leery, dude. Like
Let's
snapping.
try it.
That's fine. They can snap. We have new U-bolts. Who cares?
We have new U-bolts?
Yes.
Yeah. But don't break them.
Scotty. You can break them. It's fine.
Okay.
Glenn, what?
Dead.
It's got so much rust on it, the socket don't fit.
Yeah.
That's wild.
That's like probably rusted in there.
Let's go get the cordless one, Scotty, out of the drawer.
It's
I
got.
might have listened.
There it goes.
Nope.
There's a bigger one. Go get the 1/2 inch.
I kept the nut for myself. Come on.